out to Goochland County. Doppler radar is down, so I gotta go out there and see if I can reboot the transmitter or find out why it's down. Almost at Goochland. Check out this radar, see what's going on out here. It's like a 30-minute ride from the TV station out to Goochland. About here, country Goochland, Thoraville, out here in the sticks. Nothing's out here but farmland and cornfields. Exxon gas station right here sells fried chicken, homemade fried chicken, country style. You got no high-speed internet on here. No high speed, just dial up. We're out here in the country. There's nothing out here. Look at this. Coming up. Unmarked gravel road. Gotta watch out for the snakes back here. They usually have black snakes. Look. There's the Doppler dome. You got Verizon out here also. That's it. I'm out in the country. There's nothing out here. There's Verizon. I think it's Verizon and AT&T. And here's our TV station's Doppler radar. Hopefully I don't have to climb up and get in that dome today. As you realize, all these areas out here are very high in microwave radiation and RF radiation. So you get exposure to all kind of limits that are beyond what your body's supposed to be normally exposed to. Here we go, about to go in. Hopefully there's no bees in here. This place is known for having all kind of hornets and everything. So far it looks clear. Looks like we got a problem with the dish. Everything boots up, but we have no azimuth numbers counting, which means the dish is not spinning. So I gotta shut the transmitter down, climb these stairs, and it's a little hatch door that gets up into the dome. And I gotta try to get that dish spinning again. Normally we just tap it or bump it and dish will start to spin again, so it might just be something simple like that, hopefully. If it's bees in that dome, I'm not going in there. It's just, weather's just gonna have to be down. So before I get up in that dome, I have to let the transmitter cool all the way down. As you can see, it's cooling down. We have no high voltage. Everything's back to 0. So once she cools down, we shut everything down, kill all power, because it's like 200 or 300,000 watts in that dome. And if you get radiated with that, that should last. Okay, transmitter's down, as you can see. Now we kill all main breakers. And we should have no power or no RF radiation in that dome. Now it's time to head up to the top. I got my wasp and hornet killer. Kills on contact, shoots up to 20 feet. That dome is known to have wasps and hornets. So climbing stairs, going to the top. Almost halfway up there, so many cobwebs and country spiders. Here's our little engineering truck all the way down there. Okay, I'm at the top. We're about to find out what's inside of this dome. See the radiation hazard? Confirm radar's down. There's a little padlock I gotta remove. And this door swings open. Hopefully there's no bees. Alright, this is the radar dome. You see how big this dish is? It's huge. I just spun the dish around and it moves freely. And so far I don't see any bees, but if you look on the floor, all kind of dead remains. But I spun the dish and it did move, so I'm going to go down and power back up, see if it moves. We got a problem with the motor or voltage getting to the top of the dome. I checked all circuits in here. This is the controller for the azimuth, and this is the elevation control. We have 6 volts DC coming out of here, so that means the controller is putting voltage up to the motor in the dome, but the dish is not spinning. So we got to go back in the dome and check the voltage at the motor, and if we are getting voltage, the motor is bad. If we're not, it could be a cable issue. But it's very high voltage in here, something like maybe 200 amps. So you got to be very careful working around high voltage. Well, we have a bad motor. Checked everything. We have voltage. Dish will spin for like 3 minutes, then shut down. So we have a bad motor, and the radar company will ship us a new motor, and either me or the other IT guy will come out here and install the motor.